bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin air filter is located in the ceiling of the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the panel in the corner of the glove box. Remove the filter housing door. Pull the first old filter straight down to remove it. Slide the second filter to the right and pull down to remove it. If needed, use pliers. Clean out any debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1239 filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the panel in the corner of the glove box roof. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.